Hey guys, what's up? It's Samantha, and today I'm very excited to be finally able to sit down and film my February kit lineup. I've been wanting to do this, and I've been waiting for a couple of kits that I ordered to come in, and today's February 1st, and they showed up in my mailbox this afternoon, so I ran down to my mailbox and grabbed them so that I could film this video and get this up for you guys tomorrow. So I am very excited about so many of the kits and the foil pairings that I'm using this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into it. So in my main planner, which I'll go through first, the first kit I'm using in my main planner is this beautiful mystery kit from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And I am so excited because I am going to get to use so much beautiful Simply Gilded washi with this. So these are some of the washi that I pulled out, and I am just very excited to get to use these. Like, how perfect are these with this kind of like Aurora Borealis going on and the sort of winter forest skyline? I feel like these are going to pair so beautifully with this kit, and I wanted to go ahead and decide which of the kind of galaxy themed washi tapes I wanted to use with this before I picked my foil, because I wanted to sort of find the perfect washi and then pick a foil that would complement this. I'm between two different options. They're pretty similar, but I will probably just sort of end up opening all these washi tapes and putting them out on my desk and kind of playing around and deciding what looks best with everything. So I'm either going to do this hollow, sparkly hollow mix in the shimmer, and it has these beautiful bougie boxes that are like a mixture with that really pretty twinkle shimmer in the background. So I'm either going to do that, or I'm going to just do straight up hollow in the, is this like celestial? I can't remember what this is called, but it has all the moons and stars and that sort of thing going on in this. So I'm either going to do that or this with that. Either one would work really beautifully. All of these foils are kind of hollow, sparkly hollow, like a shattered glass hollow kind of effect. So either one will work well with this. It'll kind of just be in the moment decision. If you have a strong opinion, let me know which one you think I should use. I feel like either one would work beautifully with that. You could even do like silver with this. There's some of the Galaxy ones that have silver foil. I debated doing silver, but these are new. I just got these and I really want an opportunity to use them, and I'm gonna try to pull in, I might even grab some more of the like Galaxy washi tapes that I have and try to pull in as much as I can in the spread and make it just really, really extra. So I'm very excited to use this one. The second week in my main planner, I'm going to be using the Frozen Woods kit from Scribble Prints Co. And I do have some of the extras to go with this. I love the whole vibe of this, and I am going to use matte silver foil. I thought the matte silver would really pop against the darker colors in this kit, and I thought it would be like a nice, more like neutral, because I feel like the colors in this are really bright and bold, but there's a lot of kind of frosty tones in the full boxes, and like this kind of looks like matte silver. So I thought the matte would pop really nicely against these like bolder, bright colors. So I'm very excited about this one. I think it'll be like a nice whimsical winter spread. And then we have Valentine's Day. So I am using Pillow Talk from Scribble Prints Co. for Valentine's. I have some extras to go along with it, and I'm so excited. I'm using this really beautiful like hot pink kind of magenta foil and these heart bougie boxes, and I'm just thrilled. I am absolutely thrilled to get to use a bright foil color. I love really fun bright foil, and I think this is just going to be like a really over-the-top extra spread. So I'm very excited about this. So that'll be my Valentine's Day spread. And then for the last week in February, I'm going to be using the Cozy Up kit. I love just sort of the vibes of this. I love the double box there with that house. That house is just so pretty. And I have the Fashion Girls and the icons, and I think I'm gonna use this really pretty kind of like periwinkle blue foil here, and it's coming off as like a little more purple on camera, but it is very much like in the same vein as this color here. And I just thought it would be like really nice to get to use like a little icy blue purple color. So it's gonna be like a really pretty pairing, and I really wanted to use some of my colorful foil because I feel like I've been using a lot of my core foils, and I have all of this fun foil that I haven't gotten to use in a while, or that I haven't been reaching for in a while. So it's basically like the same color as like the sky and the blankets and stuff in the background here. So I think this is gonna be really, really pretty. And then I can also pull in probably some silver scripts with this from my like normal scripts. It'll be very pretty. So that is the final week of February in my main planner. And then in my memory keeping planner, this is going to be the like first week of February, the split week between January and February. I love the winter vibes. We've had very wintry weather this week, so this ended up being super appropriate. And then I'm going to use the snow foil in silver, and that'll just be really pretty with this. I love a blue winter kit with silver foil. It's just always a good pairing. And then I wanted to kind of dive into my anytime kits and do something that was fun and pink and kind of gave me Valentine's Day vibes without it actually being Valentine's Day. So I am using this kit from Scribble Prints Co. from I think last fall or last summer. Called Breakfast Dream. I just really liked the pink vibes for February. I have the Fashion Girls and some of the add-ons. So maybe this was from like this might be over a year old because this format is, like this label sampler format is very different than what she does now. I feel like all of end of 2021, 2022 was kind of all blended in together in terms of planning and kits and stuff because I was not as active in the planner spaces. And I am so excited because I am going to be using this absolutely stunning kind of like oil slick effect magenta foil that is just gorgeous. And I am like in love with this. I've used this in a spread before and I loved it. So it's the Twinkle format, and I am very excited to get to use this and play with some like bright, fun pink foil. Then for Valentine's Day, I am going to be using this kit from Pink Diamond Planner Co. I am obsessed. This was exclusive art for her shop, and there are so many different pinks and burgundies and purples in this kit and reds. There's so many different options for foil colors, but I decided, like you can see here, there's definitely like lots of different tones of red and pink and burgundy, but I really wanted to use these sparkly reds so that I could use these Valentine's Day bougie boxes in the red since I'm using them in the pink in my other planner. And then I just have these sparkly red confetti. Is this what that's called? Confetti, whatever this is called. The like, whatever this format is, and it matches this. There is like a chunkier red sparkly foil heart thing from last year or the year before last that I probably could have made work with this, but the like red sparkle is chunkier in that one, and I just decided to go with this, and I wanted the newer script format anyways. So I'm super excited about this. I legitimately was like, I don't have a Valentine's Day kit to use red foil with, so I ordered this just to be able to use red foil. Like when I saw this art, like I knew it would be perfect for what I wanted, and I'm very, very excited to get to use that. And then the last week of February, I'm going to be using this Baby Shark party kit because it is my nephew's first birthday and we are going to his birthday party, and I love this kit. It's not even a Baby Shark themed birthday party, but I just thought it would be fun for like a little kid's birthday party. And I have the family boxes, and right now I have pulled this sparkly kind of like lime green foil, and I thought this would be nice since when you look at this, there's a lot of the pink and yellow and blue and only like pops of green. I thought it would kind of pull in more green, but there's also a hollow green foil that Scribble Prints Co. just released either this week or last week, and I might use that instead if it gets here before I do this spread. But this is like a very old foil format, but I love this green sparkle that's going on here. It's a lot of fun, and it'll definitely pop with this kit. So there will be some kind of green, like lime green foil going on here, so it'll either be this or the other one. But yeah, that's the plan for that. All right, guys, so that is everything for my February lineup. I am just very excited for all of these spreads and getting to use lots of fun foil this month. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye, guys.